Welcome to the lucrative world of streaming. Streaming isn't just for fun, it's a viable way to make money. Platforms like Twitch and Kick have transformed passionate gamers and entertainers into full-time professionals. Imagine turning your hobby into a career where you control the content and the revenue. The key to success in streaming isn't just about playing video games or chatting, it's about understanding the tools of the trade and engaging with your audience. This guide will show you how to start, what to invest in, and how to grow your channel. Whether you're a skilled gamer, a talented musician, or just someone with a captivating personality, there's space for you. Let's dive into how you can kickstart your streaming career and turn your passion into profit. To start right in the streaming world, the right equipment can dramatically enhance the quality of your streams. Start with a high-quality camera. A clear image helps create a professional look. Webcams are affordable and practical, but for higher quality, consider a DSLR or mirrorless camera. Sound quality is equally crucial. A bad microphone can turn viewers away quickly. Invest in a good condenser or dynamic microphone that captures clear audio without background noise. Don't forget about a pop filter or a windscreen, especially if you're going to be talking directly to your audience. Lighting is another vital aspect. Poor lighting can make even the best camera output look mediocre. Softbox lights or ring lights can help illuminate your face, making you look bright and engaging on camera. This setup doesn't have to break the bank, but it should be effective. Your streaming environment is your stage. It should reflect your personality and be free from distractions. Start by choosing a quiet room where you won't be interrupted. This can be a bedroom, a studio, or any space where you can control noise and movement. Consider the backdrop viewers will see. Some streamers use green screens to overlay dynamic backgrounds, while others prefer a more natural look with shelves filled with personal items or gaming memorabilia. Whatever your choice, ensure it's tidy and visually appealing. Ergonomics play a role too. You might be streaming for hours, so invest in a comfortable chair and desk at the right height. Your comfort will affect your performance, so make sure you're set up to avoid strain or discomfort during long streaming sessions. Creating a memorable brand is crucial in the crowded streaming landscape. Your channel name, logo, and theme should resonate with your content and personality. These elements help viewers remember and distinguish you from others. Think about what makes you unique and build your brand around that. Interact with your audience in a way that reinforces your brand. If you're funny, incorporate humor into your streams and social media posts. If you're more informative, focus on providing valuable content consistently. Your communication style should align with the brand you want to build. Consistency in visuals and tone helps to build trust and familiarity. Use similar colors and designs on your channel, social media profiles, and merchandise. This visual continuity makes your brand look professional and polished, attracting more viewers and potential sponsors. Section 5. Engaging your audience. Engagement is the currency of the streaming world. Start by actively talking to your viewers during streams. Answer their questions, acknowledge their comments, and make them feel valued. This interaction makes the experience more enjoyable and personal for them. Create interactive content like polls, Q&A sessions, and games that involve viewer participation. These activities can keep the audience interested and coming back for more. Remember, the more you engage with your viewers, the more likely they are to support you through subscriptions and donations. Don't forget about consistency in your streaming schedule. Your viewers should know when to expect you online. This predictability makes it easier for your audience to fit your streams into their daily routine, increasing your viewership over time. Section 6. Monetization strategies, turning views into revenue. Monetization is a critical aspect of your streaming career. Start with platform-specific options like subscriptions, advertisements, and donations. Twitch and Kick offer several built-in tools to help you monetize effectively, as long as you meet certain criteria. Explore affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and use, and earn a commission on sales made through your referral links. This not only adds to your income but also builds trust with your audience if you promote products that align with your content and values. Consider creating exclusive content for paying subscribers, such as behind-the-scenes videos, early access to videos, or special merch. These perks encourage regular viewers to invest more in your channel, boosting your income and providing them with value for their money. Consistency is more than just having a regular streaming schedule, it's about maintaining the quality and style of your content. Viewers come back because they know what to expect and enjoy your specific brand of entertainment. Ensure each stream meets a standard that your audience can rely on. Use consistent branding across all platforms. This includes your streaming channel, social media, and any other place your brand appears. Consistent branding makes you more recognizable and professional, helping to attract new viewers and retain existing ones. Plan your content in advance. This can help prevent burnout and ensure you have quality content to deliver regularly. Planning also allows you to manage your time more efficiently, leaving room for interaction with your community and personal rest. Social media is a powerful tool for expanding your reach and engaging with a broader audience. Use platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to share updates, promote your streams, and interact with your followers. Each platform offers unique ways to connect with audiences, so tailor your content accordingly. Don't just promote your streams. Share content that adds value, tips, insights, or entertaining posts related to your streaming content. This strategy not only attracts followers but also keeps them engaged, making them more likely to visit your streaming channel. Collaborate with other streamers and influencers. This can expose your channel to a wider audience and bring fresh content to your streams. Collaborations can be fun and beneficial for all parties involved, providing a win-win scenario for growing your community. Take inspiration from successful streamers who started just like you. Ninja, one of the world's most famous streamers, began with a small but dedicated following. Through consistent, high-quality streaming and strategic use of social media, he grew his audience into millions. Another success story is Pokimane. She excels in engaging her audience with her personality and interactive content. Her approach to branding and community interaction has made her one of the most recognizable faces in streaming. These stories show that with the right strategies, dedication, and a bit of luck, streaming can become more than just a hobby. It can be a lucrative career that brings both financial rewards and personal satisfaction. Streaming is a dynamic and rewarding field with tremendous potential for growth and earnings. Whether you're into gaming, music, or simply want to share your life with the world, there is an audience for you. Remember, the most successful streamers started with 0 followers and built their way up with persistence and passion. Implement the tips and strategies discussed here, and approach your streaming journey with optimism and enthusiasm. Equip yourself with the right tools, engage deeply with your community, and remain consistent in your efforts. Your streaming career awaits. Embrace it, and let your personality shine. Now, go ahead and start your streaming journey. The world is ready to see what you have to offer. Remember, every big streamer was once a beginner. Today is your day to start.